Okay, so network devices. So what are the devices are available in the market? So which device we are using in the
Mhm.
companies? So that we can discuss.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. So totally, there will be a six devices. I am just going to take an example. Okay. The first device will be N device.
Mhm. And
The N
device.
device.
Okay.
Okay. The second one will be bridges.
Mm.
Bridge. Third is repeater.
Bridge device.
Repeater.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello. Yes.
Sir, will be able to see this recorder session after that?
Yeah. 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 So I recorded. You can see the
Okay, this
recording
is also
session.
same like. Okay,
Sorry.
okay, sir. So since I am new to WebEx, so that only I asked.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I already started the recording.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So next will be the hub. Okay. So the network device. The first is N device, bridge, a repeater, hub. Fifth one is switch. Sixth one is repeater. Sorry, router.
Okay.
So router. So like it will go like a firewall, wireless. So it will going. So just I'm taking as a six.
Mhm.
This six only. Okay. So we'll discuss later about firewall and wireless device later. Okay. So these are the devices are available in the market. As of now, in a company, what are the device we are using means we are using only switches and router and in the end device. So these are the three devices only we are using. We are not using bridge, a repeater, hub in nowadays. Before older days, we are using these devices, but nowadays we are not using those devices, bridge, repeater, and a hub. We are not using. So I will tell you just giving basic definition about bridge, repeater, and a hub, and we can see a lot of things about switch and router later. Okay. So the end devices means okay. So the end devices is nothing but okay. So the end user, if example, if I am the user, what all are the device? If I'm asking over the network, that is called the end devices. Okay. So if I am the user, I can use computer, correct?
Mhm.
Computer.
Mhm.
I can use laptop. I can access printer over the network. I'm saying about over the network.
Mhm.
Okay. So over the network, we can accessing computer, laptop, printer, scanner,
Mhm.
fax devices,
Mhm.
and also one more devices is there. Okay, so the device called IP phone. What is IP phone means? Okay, so in MNC companies, okay, we are using the landline phone. Okay, so that phone will working over the internet. That is called the IP phone. There will be a lot of phone will be there. Okay, so I'm just taking one example.
Mhm.
I'll show
What
you.
topic you are explaining?
Sorry.
So right now, what topic you are explaining about? Because for the past 3 minutes, your voice is not audible.
Okay, so everyone actually hear my audio, correct?
Right
Yes.
now it is listening, sir. Madam, if your audio video is blocked, go into the taskbar. There is an part called as icon in the taskbar where we write the URL. That click on that camera icon. You can unmute yourself.
Everyone can hear me, correct? Is their voice? My voice is breaking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, 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 no.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
sir, it's not breaking.
Okay, so if it is breaking, you can check your audio. Okay, so maybe your headset having some issues. Okay, so I think hope everyone can hear me. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so IP phone is nothing but okay. So this is the one example. I'm just taking as an example as this is the phone. Okay, so this phone is it's like a landline phone. Okay, so this phone only we are using in a company. So this phone it will work based on the internet. Over the internet, the phone will be working. That is called we can call it as a IP phone, Internet Protocol phone. Yeah, or we can call it as a VoIP. voice over internet protocol. Okay, so VoIP phone. Okay, so that means so what all are the device? We can access the phone, we can access the computer, we can access the laptop. Okay, so what all are the device we are accessing over the network? That is called the end devices. Okay, so the end devices means so whichever device we are accessing, that is called the end devices. Okay, and bridge. Okay, why we require a bridge means bridge actually initial days we are using the bridge as to connect department wise. Okay, for example, okay, so hope most of them all are engineering background or some computer background. Okay, so I'm just taken as an example as two departments. Okay, so one is the ID departments, next one is HR department. Okay, so in a company maximum these two departments are there. One is a ID, next one is HR. Okay, so IT having multiple computers, HR device department also having a multiple computers. Okay, if I want to communicate with IT department to HR department, we need a one devices. That device called a bridge. So bridge is used to
Okay.
communicate or connect a with different departments. Okay, so maximum how many departments we can connect over the bridge means maximum will be four only. Okay, so why
Okay.
this device is not using nowadays means initially actually it will be very helpful, but after sometimes actually we are getting a lot of data will be lost. We are not getting the proper data, and we are not receiving the proper data, and also some data will be lost, slowness which will happen. So everything will be happen over this bridge device. So that's what nowadays we are not using anywhere. Bridge is not using anywhere in the companies. Okay, so I already said we are using only the switch and router, but initial days we are using a bridge to connect and communicate with multiple departments. So maximum how many departments we can connect means we can connect up to four departments. So maximum we can connect
So,
up to these
sir,
four
can I
departments.
have one question?
Yes.
So, can I have one question?
Yeah.
Instead of department, what we can say in the technical language, whether it should be a network,
It is
LAN,
yeah
WAN, or
LAN
MAN,
networks. LAN networks.
means it will connect only four
Yeah, four
LANs.
LAN only. Yes, maximum four LANs. And also all the
Okay.
LAN should be a same LAN only. Okay, this is
Okay.
small LAN. Okay, under the small LAN, the LAN only it is not bridge will not communicate with the WAN connectivity. Only all the four networks will be the same network, same LAN networks only. So I will tell you later about LAN and WAN. Okay, so hope someone don't know about the LAN. Okay, so I will tell you later about the LAN. Okay, so LAN means it's a local area network. So bridge will work only within the LAN only. Okay, so any doubts?
No.
Okay, so next I'm taking as a repeater. Okay, so for example, okay, so I have a building. Okay, so in my company I have a one building. Okay, in a building there will be two floors, two floor. Okay, so
Okay.
ground floor, first floor,
First floor.
and second floor. Okay, so I'm there in second floor. Okay, so one of my friend is there in first floor. Okay, so other friend will be there in ground floor. Okay, so I'm just speaking with the second floor to first floor friend. Okay, so if I'm speaking whatever I'm speaking, whether the first floor friend can receive it, whatever if
Yes.
I'm saying anything,
Sometime.
yeah, sometimes they will receive, correct. Okay, the same message if I'm conveying to ground floor friend, whether it will receive, or compared to first floor friend, ground floor friend, maybe the data will be lost. That's correct. So if I'm
Yes.
speaking to,
Yes. Lost.
if I'm speaking to first floor friend, okay, so my voice is audible. Okay, so if I'm speaking the same message to ground floor friend, may not be, my voice is not audible. Okay, so compared to first floor friend, my voice will be reduced to the ground floor friend. Okay, so that time what we can do, I just convey my message to first floor friend, and the first floor friend they will convey my message to ground floor friend. Shall we do that one? Yes, we can.
Yes.
Okay, so what first floor friend will do, just it help us to boost up my signal. Whatever I'm saying, the same message only he or she going to convey to ground floor friend. Okay, so what the first friend we are doing, so it's just to boost up my
Mm-hmm.
signal,
Post this
boost up my
Right.
signal, and whatever message I'm saying, the same message only he conveying, reconveying, the retransmit the data. Okay, that is called the repeater. Repeater means it help us to boost up your signal and retransmit the data. So the first floor friend, they cannot give any information, only whatever I'm saying. The second floor, whatever I'm saying, the same message only the friend will be conveying to the ground floor friend. That is called the repeater. Okay, so I will take one more example. Okay, in my company there will be two conference room. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so in the one conference room having good Wi-Fi, one conference room having good Wi-Fi. Okay, so in another conference room having less signal only. Signal is there, but the less
Mm-hmm.
signal only. Okay, so that time what we can do means we can just install a repeater. Okay, so repeater what will do, just it boost up the signal and retransmit the data. So that time we can use the repeater. Okay, so initially we are using a repeater, but nowadays we are directly connected to the direct Wi-Fi only. We are not using a repeater, and we are using modem or the the router or the Wi-Fi, direct Wi-Fi we are using. We are not using a repeater. Why means the cost wise is also very high. Okay, compared to normal Wi-Fi wireless device, so it will be cost wise is high, and also the retransmission will not happen properly. So that's what we are not using nowadays as a repeater. So initially we are using as a repeater, but nowadays we are not using a repeater. So clear
Mm-hmm.
about repeater or any doubts?
Sir, is there any acknowledgement system for this case when
Sorry.
we transmit the data?
Yeah, acknowledgement.
Acknowledgement.
Yes, yes, it will happen. The acknowledgement will happen. So the
So
retransmit
how should?
data, yeah,
Yes.
just whatever I'm. If example, if I'm sending the data say 1 MB, so it will be checking whether I
Okay.
have received the proper 1 MB file or not. If it is I receive the same file, then acknowledgement will happen. Otherwise, it won't. Like a TCP method, it will
Okay.
acknowledge the handshake.
Means
Okay.
repeater will work as an intermediator between these two.
Yes, yeah, intermediator. That's what I said. Boost up the signal.
Okay. Okay. Also, we can say as an amplifier,
Yes, we can.
amplification of the
Yeah,
signal. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
application of the signal. Okay, so I'm
Okay,
just
sir.
giving the
Thank you.
basic definition only about a bridge and repeater. Okay, so we are not using repeater anywhere. Okay, so you don't bother about this.
Hello?
Where we used before, just repeat it.
Before, yeah, in the conference room, in a company, the wireless device.
Con-
So that, yeah, in the conference room, if you are having, if you are lost your signal, okay, so the time we will use it.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, sir.
Initial days, yeah, yes.
I have one doubt, sir. You said that there is a floor, ground floor, first floor, second floor.
Hmm.
If the person is not available in the first floor, then when we want to
That means the
share the
repeater is not
information
there.
from
The
second.
first floor friend will act as a repeater. It's a
Okay,
repeater. Yeah,
there is need of manpower there.
yeah, the device is there. So that's what I said. A device. The first floor friend will act as a repeater. Okay, repeater means it's a physical device. So if you are installing a physical device, then
Okay,
only he will be conveying. Otherwise, it won't. If the first floor friend is there, then only I can able to convey it. Otherwise, it won't.
okay. Is there any there is any misfunction of the device in the first floor? Then we want to share the information suddenly towards the ground floor from second floor. Then other case, what will we do?
Sorry, can I repeat again?
uh, if any device there is a malfunction or any misconnection was there in first floor,
Hmm?
if suddenly there's a requirement of sharing information from second floor to ground floor, then at that time, what will be they done?
Yeah, the data will be
What
lost.
will they do?
The proper data will not receive from the to the ground floor friend.
Okay, so there is a medium is needed.
Yeah, medium. Yeah, that's what I said.
For whatever the situation.
Yeah, medium is there. Okay, so that's what actually there will be a lot of disadvantages, drawbacks will be there in the repeater. Okay, so you say the malfunction will happen. Okay, so the data will not receive properly, the data will be lost, slowness will happen. Okay, so the retransmission also will not doing properly. I said this is help to boost up the signal, correct? So sometimes the boost up signal also, here also the data will be lost. So if example, if I need
Okay.
the bandwidth as a 5 mbps, my bandwidth, my internet speed will be 5 mbps. Okay, after putting the repeater, the same 5 mbps I need to receive it, correct? So that's what we need, a repeater. The same message only I want to retransmit. Okay, but I'm not getting the proper bandwidth, only I'm getting a 3 mb only. But initial days it will be very helpful, but nowadays it won't very helpful. So clear now?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Clear.
Okay. Okay, so next I go to the hub and switch. Okay, so why we require a hub and switch means, for example, okay, I'm just taking a computer. Okay, so I have a multiple computers. I have a multiple computers. Okay, this is a computer A, and this is a computer B, and this is a computer C, D, E. Okay, so the computer A wants to share the information or wants to share the data to all the computer. How it is possible? We need a connectivity, correct? So that's what I said. If we want to share any data, we we need a connectivity, then only it is possible to communicate. Okay, so you can assume
Yeah.
I don't have the wireless connectivity, only I have the wired connectivity. Then what is possible?
Mhm.
We can directly connect it to
Yes,
A to B.
LAN cable.
Yeah, so at the same time, if I want to communicate A to C, it is possible through wired, because we have the only one NIC.
Yes.
We have the
Yeah,
normally.
we no it
Yes,
No.
how
we
many
can
things?
use switch or something, then only we can share.
Yes,
Otherwise, it
correct.
will be very
Yeah,
difficult.
only maybe normally actually only one NIC is there only in our computer or laptop. Okay, if you want to multiple
Mm.
NIC, we can install it. How many install it? Maximum 3 or 4. If I want to communicate with 10 devices,
Mm.
it is not possible to, correct. So that's what we required, a one devices to connect a multiple computers and communicate with each other.
Mm.
If I want to communicate with
Mhm.
multiple computers, okay, so we require a one devices. That device will be the hub or switch. Both do
Okay.
the same functionality only. Okay, so why hub and switch will comes
Mm.
in the picture market means, hub and switch, it is used
Mm.
to connect or communicate with multiple computers, so that is called a hub and switch.
Hub and switch are mostly similar, right? So
Yes, similar, yeah, that's what I said. Both are, it is used to connect or multi computer, communicate with each other. Then what will be the difference? That's what I'm going
So
to tell you. Yeah, tell me.
these hub and switch are used in wired and wireless processors, right?
Yeah, why only wired only?
Only in wired
Yeah,
processors.
wired.
Okay.
So,
Wireless also we can connect the over the cable only, we will connect to the wireless. So if
Sir,
example, what I have the
wha-
Wi-Fi. Yeah, tell me.
what is the difference between hub and switch? Can you repeat once
Yeah, that's
again?
what I'm going to tell you
I
now.
lost.
I'm going to tell you. I will
Okay,
not tell.
okay, okay,
Just
okay. I
I'm
lost
giving
my
the definition
communication.
about
Sorry.
hub and switch. Hub and switch both, why actually come means, it is used to communicate or connect multiple computer and will communicate with each other. Okay, if I want to connect, if I want to communicate with A to B, yes, I can communicate. If I want to communicate A to C, yes, A to D also we can communicate over the hub or switch. Then what will be the difference? Why we are not using hub nowadays? Okay, I will tell you, and also I will share. I will show you in the Cisco packet tracer. Okay,
mm. Okay.
hub. Okay, next is switch. Okay, hub. The first difference will be hub is a half duplex. What is half duplex?
One communication at a one time, we can say.
Yeah,
Yes.
two-way communication, but one at a time. Correct. That's what I said.
Okay.
Two-way,
Two-way.
both they can communicate. Okay, compute. For example, okay, if I want to communicate computer A to B, yes, I can communicate. Okay, but once A has been completed, then only it is possible to share from B to A. So I tell an example as a walkie-talkie. The police using walkie-talkie, correct? So that is the example I tell you. Okay, the same only it will be happen. Okay, so A to B, okay, so computer A to B, okay, we can communicate both the way, we can communicate, but one at a time. The same thing, if you want to communicate C to D, yes, we can communicate. Once the C has been completed the data, then only D possible to communicate from C to D. If I'm using like this, what are the issue we will face? That time I said, I want to wait, correct? I want to wait
Yeah,
once
better
the,
maybe
yeah, yeah, we need a
by the
so if example, okay, so two computer or four computer is fine, you can assume. In my company, if I'm having the 100 or 1000 of computer, all the computer should wait. If example A to B, one person is to be wait, C to D, the another person will wait. Okay, so if most of the networks, most of the system will wait, that means the network traffic will happen over there. If I'm using the off duplex, as if I'm using the off duplex, then the network congestion will happen. Okay, so that is the first drawback why we are not using hub. Means hub is a off duplex device, full switch is a full duplex device. Clear? Okay.
Network depends on which part, like connectivity part also. Network depends on connectivity part
Yes,
also,
yeah. Kind
as
without connectivity, we can't share the data, correct? That's what I said in the first class itself. The network means it is used to
so,
share the, yeah. Without connectivity, we can't send the data. So we need a connectivity.
no, that's fine. Like hub and switch work same. So
Yeah, same only.
why hub?
Yeah, the
Hub.
function, the hub functionality will be the half duplex. The device has been manufacturing as a half duplex only.
Okay.
Switch is a full
So
duplex. Yeah, this is the first drawback. That's what why we are not using
in
hub only.
LAN.
This means, yeah, both are working LAN network only.
Mm,
Hub and switch both are working a LAN network only.
mm,
The first why we are not using, I
mm,
said switch only we are using, hub we are not using. There will be a lot of drawback. Is that the first drawback is hub is a half
mm.
duplex device.
Hub. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the second difference is hub is a non-intelligence device. What device? It is a non-intelligence. It don't have capable. Okay, so that's what actually we are called as a, it's a non-intelligence device. Switch is a intelligence. Okay, so why we need intelligence to perform this one? So I said both are communicate with each other. Then why actually we can't call it as a switch as a intelligence? Why hub called as a non-intelligence means, that's what I'm going to the third part. Hub don't have capable to store your MAC address. It can't store the MAC address. Hub don't have capable to store your MAC address information, but switch it can store it. Switch having capable, okay,
Okay.
so it can store MAC address. Then question is, what is the advantages if I'm storing the MAC address? Correct. What is the if advantages only, then only we can use a
Very easy to communicate with the devices, sir.
yeah,
Our
I will tell.
laptop.
It will
Yes, I
very
will.
easy to communicate with the devices when we are transferring any packets or something.
Yeah, correct. Okay, so I will tell you and explain about the third to fourth point. Okay, and hub every time hub will send every time it will send the broadcast. What is a broadcast?
We
What's a broadcast?
at a time we can send a packet to so
Multiple
many users.
To all the users, correct?
multiple
One to all.
users.
The shortly we can call as a one to all. It will be communicating with all the system. Every time it will be share the information to all the devices. Okay. But switch
For example,
only for the first time.
Mm.
It will send the broadcast. I will explain this one, this point, fourth point. Okay. First time it will send the broadcast. First time it will send the broadcast. Next time it will send us a unicast. Only switch only for the first time alone it will send the broadcast. After that all the time will be sent as a unicast. What is unicast? It's a one to one.
Single one.
Yeah, single one to one.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. So I just go here. Okay. So you can just take as an example, this is a hub. Okay. So this is a hub. Okay. So now I'm going to communicate from A to B. I'm going to share the information from A to B. How it will work. Okay. So how it will work means, so I said all the communication first it will go to NIC. First a request. Okay, once you are sharing the information, first it will go to NIC. NIC will forward the request to hub. Okay, you can just assume this is the number one port, this is the number two, number three, number four. Okay. So hub just the computer A will forward the request from NIC to hub. Okay. So now hub receive one data. The hub device is receiving one data. What I'm saying, I said hub, if I'm getting any data, every time it will be forwarding. Okay, so that means forwarding to broadcast. What is a broadcast? It will be sharing the information to all the computers. It will be sharing the information to all the computer. Okay, so now the computer B receive the request. One, it will not send the original message, just it will be sending the request only. It will not share the original information, just it will be sending only the request information. So what is the request information, I will tell you later classes. Okay, as of now just you can understood. Okay, so only all the computer will receive the request information. Okay, B also receive, C also receive, D also receive. Okay, so B, who needs the data? Only B, correct? B only accepted, C and D decline the data. Why? Because they are not the destination. Who is the destination? B only, my destination. Only B only accept my message. Okay. One more thing you can remember always. Okay. In a network, if I'm sharing any information, okay, surely I will get the response. If I'm sending any request, okay, surely you will get the response. Maybe the positive response or negative response, but you will get the response. Okay, C and D is decline the request. Okay, only who accept my message? B only. Again, B needs to be respond, correct? B needs to be respond my message. Okay, how it will respond? Again, it will go to NIC. NIC will forward the request to hub. Hub again what will do? It will send the broadcast to all. Again, C don't want the data, D also don't want the data, only A only acknowledge my message. Okay, if I'm sending multiple time also the same thing, if I'm sharing B to C or C to D, every time it will be sending the request to all the computer. So that's what we can call as a non-intelligence device. Every time it will be sending the broadcast request. That's what I written as a fourth point. So clear?
Mm.
Okay. So now I'm taking as a switch.
Can you give example?
Yeah, I will show you. I will show you practically. I will show you this one.
Mm.
Okay, you can just assume this is a switch. Okay, what switch I said? Switch having third point. What I said? Switch having capable to store the MAC address. Correct. So in a MAC address,
Mhm.
there'll be maintaining on table. The table called MAC address table. I will tell you later about this table. Okay. So just as of now, you can just assume switch will maintaining one table. That table called MAC address table. Okay. So you can just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So first is MAC. Next one is port number. Okay. So port number, it's a MAC. This is a port number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So by default, in a MAC address table, there is a empty. There is a empty. No data is there. Okay. Okay. So now I want to share the same information from A to B using the switch. Before that, I said hub to hub. If I'm using the hub, I'm sharing the information from A to B. Now I'm same A to B. I'm going to transfer the data using switch. How it will work, I will tell you. Okay. So first it will go to NIC. NIC will forward the data to switch. Okay. So you can just take an example. The MAC address for A is 00A. The MAC address for B is 00B, and MAC address here is 00C. MAC address is 00D. Okay, so 00A, 00B, 00C, and 00D. Okay, so once switch receiving the request, which port the switch receive the request? Port number 1, correct? The first port.
Mm.
Okay, which MAC address is send the request? 00A. It will note it.
Okay.
Okay, what switch will do? I said for the first time it will send the broadcast. Okay, so what the broadcast? Broadcast means it's to all 2, 3, and 4. 2, port number 2, port number 3, and port number 4 also. Okay, so once send the request, the same way, okay, it will be noted then port number 2, 3, 4. Corresponding MAC address,
Mm.
it will be noted 00B, 00C. Once send the request, then only it will noted which port I'm sending, so which computer I'm sending, so it will be noted. Okay, so now all the computer will receive the request. 3 and 4 will be declined. C and D computer decline. Okay, B needs to be respond my message. How it will be respond means the same. Go to here, again go to switch. Okay, so now actually who I need to be respond? A computer, correct? So it will be checking the
B.
MAC address. Yeah, B sending the respond to A, correct? B going to send the
A.
respond to A. Okay. Just it will check in the MAC address table. Okay, 00A computer is connected to port number 1. Again, it will be sending only to port number 1 alone. So based on the MAC address, okay. So next time, first time, why actually it will be sending the broadcast means first time I don't know which port it is connected. My destination I know 00B is my
Voice is
destination. Sorry.
voice broke actually.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so first time why it will be sending the request as a broadcast means I know about my destination, but I don't know which port it is 00B. It is connected to
Mm.
which port I don't know. Okay, that's what I'm sending the broadcast for the first time. Once I send the broadcast request, I will be note the MAC address. I will be store the MAC address. Based on the MAC address, next time it will be sending the
Mm.
unicast. So again, if I want to send the data A to B, only it will be sending only to unicast only. For the first time alone, it will be sending the broadcast. Once I find the destination, it will be stored in the MAC address table. Based on the MAC address table,
Mm.
next time the data will be sent as a unique.
We'll try once and we'll see.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, let's try
Fine.
it. Okay, so we'll continue classes.
Okay.
We'll discuss after end of the class. Okay. Okay, so actually, that's what I said. Hub every time it will be sending the broadcast. Why actually it is sending the broadcast for the every time is because a hub don't have capable to store the MAC address. So that's what actually I don't know about my destination. That's what actually a hub every time it will be sending the broadcast request. But switch only for the first time to send the broadcast request to find the destination. Once I find out the destination, it will be stored in the MAC address. Okay, so based on the MAC address, next time it will be sending the traffic as a unicast only. Unicast means one to one. So clear? Are any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Like switch is in our phone also. It's storing the Bluetooth is when we are connecting, pairing the Bluetooth.
Yes,
It's
correct. The
storing
same
the
example.
Bluetooth.
Yeah, once you connected, so next
Oh,
time
Like that,
automatically it will
right?
be connected. Correct. So the same way.
Yes, yes. Same way. Okay.
sir, is there any updation in that table? What is that table called as?
The MAC address table. MAC address table.
Okay, MAC address table.
Yeah, MAC
Okay,
address
for
table.
today you
And
have said, sir, can I?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Suppose A is communicating for today with B, B is doing communication, there will be generation of the table, right?
Yeah, next time. Yeah, next
But
time actually it
after
will be.
tomorrow,
Mm-mm.
but by tomorrow again, you are transmitting the data in different way format. At the same time, whether that table will be the same or it is
Yes,
going to
same only.
change that table.
Actually, there will be a limit will be there. Okay, so like limit will be there. Like they call as a aging time. Okay, so some time will be there.
Okay,
Okay, so that actually you can see in the CCNP class. Okay, so aging time means so the maximum aging time will be up to I think 2460 minutes.
okay. Up to 2 minutes, the it can hold
2460.
the table.
Yeah, 2460 minutes.
Okay,
2460 minutes. That means
okay,
I
okay.
more than actually 10 days correct. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Okay, so I think so sometime this is a time limit. Okay, so there will be some time limit will be there. After some time limit, okay, once actually only for the one computer alone. Okay, so it will be stored. Okay, for example, A want to send the data B. Okay, at the same time every computer, all the computer information it will be stored. Correct, only for the first time alone. The C computer information also it will be stored. D computer information also it will be stored. Okay, so the same thing. If I want to communicate from C to D, again it won't send the broadcast request. Only for one computer to one computer only the switch. Whatever whoever sending the request for the first time, that information it will be stored in the MAC address. After store the MAC address, all the data will be sent as a unicast alone.
so MAC address will be stored for all the computers, all
Yeah, all the computer information,
or
all the computer MAC address, it will be stored. The switch.
because it's not connecting the C and D. So how like it's not accepting the request.
If
So
not
how it
connected means the request will not send. Correct. If it is a connected, then only the
yes.
request will send. If it is not connected, the request won't send.
Okay. No, no, I'm saying like if C computer will not accept the request,
No,
it's
no. Actually,
declining and declining.
declining. Yeah, declining also. The port number 3 after
Mhm.
receiving only it will be declining. Correct. After receiving only it will be declined. Correct.
Right.
Whenever you're sending the data, that time itself it will be noted. Okay, I will show you practically. Then you can easily understood. Okay.
Okay.
You can I said how to install the software. You can just hope everyone has installed the software. Okay, you can just double click the software. Okay, once you install, you can just actually I am using different website. Okay, so we're sending the same way only. Okay, so you can see here there will be two options. One is for sign up, next one for continue as a guest. Okay, so you can just use your Gmail account. Okay, so just you can create one account for you. Okay, you can just sign up and you can just use your email. You can just create a one account for you. Okay, so then what will be the difference between sign up and continue as a guest means, in a guest only you can save up to 3 times only. Okay, so only you can save the lab for only for the 3 times. Okay, so sign up means once you can save n number of times, there's a no limit. Okay, so maybe if you are facing any issue while creating a account means, maybe your laptop or 32 bits or 64 bit you are installing some wrong way. Okay, so you can just check that one. Okay, so if you are facing any issues, you can just let me know. Okay, maybe I will check in offline. Okay, but most of the time I will be using continue as a guest only, because I don't want to save the data. Okay, so save the lab only, I just use the continue as a guest only. If you're clicking the continue as a guest, so one website will be open. I'm just minimizing. Okay, so I think it will take 15 seconds. After 15 seconds it will be login. Okay, so now the 15 second has been completed. Okay, just I'm clicking confirm as guest. Okay, once you once you log in, the same window will be open. Okay, so if you as a signer user or a guest user, okay, so this window will be open. Okay, this is the dashboard for the simulation, Cisco Packet Tracer simulation software dashboard. Okay, so here only we are going to perform the lab. All the lab we are going to perform here only. Okay, once you completed the lab, if you want to save your file, the same thing how we are using normal software, the same way only. Okay, so just to go to click file and save as. Click the file and save as. So it will ask wherever you want to save, you can save it. Okay, so already if you are open, then you can just open. Oh, the same way. Now save as, save, new, open, the same way only. Okay, one more thing you can just note it. Okay, so click option and go to preference. Okay, so here actually one window will be open. Okay, you can the fifth one, always show port label in logical workspace. Okay, by default it is a unclick one. Okay, you can just click. You can just click. It will be very helpful for future classes, not for today lab. Okay, maybe after some lab. Okay, this we need a port number. So I said a port number 1 2 3 4, correct? That port number by default it is not display. If you want to display, you can just click this one. The same way, if you want to change the font size, you can change the font size as well. So whatever font you want, you can use it. Okay, okay, so in the left hand side you can see here, the left to bottom side. Okay, time. Okay, the first device will be the network device. You can see, correct? The first row, the first device will be your network devices. Okay, so I'm just to click the network devices. You can just click the one. The second row, the first is router, the second is switch, third one is a hub. Okay, fourth one is wireless device, fifth one is a security firewall. Okay, so you can just click the router. In the right hand side you can see, they say this is the model number. Okay, in a market there will be n number of model will be there. Okay, you can use any product, but most of the lab class I will be using the 2911 router. Maybe I just assume this is the latest one. Okay, so I think latest is 4321 only, but I'm using 2911. You can use any router, they say no issue, but I will take only 2911. In another lab I will take 1841. I will tell you later that one. Okay, you can just click this one and paste it, and if you want to zoom, you can just zoom it. The right and in the top you can zoom it. Okay, so you can just click the mouse and paste it here. Okay, next you can take a switch. There will be a switch, lot of model will be there. This is a model number. Most of the time I will be using 2960 only. Most of the companies also they are using this model only, 2960 or 3650, 356. This is the model number. Okay, you can search in the Google, you can get the lot of model number, the Cisco product. Okay, and one more thing, remember, in the Cisco Packet Tracer only it will be showing the Cisco product alone. It will be not showing any products, only the Cisco product only it will be showing. Okay, this is switch. If you want to delete a device, On the left top there's an option delete. Left top there's an option to delete. You can just click and click the mouse and confirm delete. After deleting, you can just press the escape button. Okay, so I want only switch only, so I can just drag and drop, copy and paste it. Okay, and next I'm taking a hub. Okay, so you can use a hub, any hub. Okay, only for this lab alone we are going to use a hub, so that's what I'm just to click the hub. Only you can take a one hub. Okay, so this is the one router, switch, hub, wireless. You can take any, paste it any devices. Okay, so in the first row, the first one is network device, the second one is end devices. Okay, you can just click the end devices, PC, computer, server, IP phone, printer, scanner, everything will be there. Okay, so I need only PC.
So yeah,
Yeah, tell me.
what type of hub we have to choose?
Hub, you can use any hub. Okay, so just you can, this is a hub PT switch. The hub model will be a PT model. Only for this lab alone we are using hub. So
Sir, I have one query related to the hub. As per my knowledge, when we have learned in the BTech, that was passive hub, active hub. So, what is that PT relates to?
this is a model number. This is a model. Like how we are using
Oh,
2960
okay,
TT. This is a model number.
okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. That is assigned by Cisco only.
Yes, yes, Cisco product, Cisco hub.
Okay, but what is, as per one of the colleague has asked question,
Hmm.
which type of hub we are going to use, active or passive?
We are not using a hub in your company. Maximum, my knowledge, they won't use a hub.
No, 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 no. In practical, sir, in practical
Okay.
approach.
So maximum we are using passive only. Passive hub.
Okay.
Okay, you can
Is there
just search
any
in the Google. What is the
practical?
difference between active and passive hub? Search in Google. Okay, and get if you have any doubt, you can just let me know. I will tell you about the difference.
But are you going to conduct the practical on the active as well as passive hub? How
No,
they work?
only I will show you the difference between a switch and a hub.
Okay.
Okay, so you can just take a PC. Okay, if you can just click and paste it. Okay, if example, if you want a multiple computer, there's a one shortcut. Okay, just to click the control button on your desktop or laptop. Click the control. After clicking, you can just click the PC. Okay, so the time you can just multiple computer, just paste it. Right click the mouse, right click the mouse. You can just you can get the lot of computer. Or every time you can just drag and drop. Okay, so this is a shortcut. Once you completed, then press the escape button. Once you completed, just press the escape button. Okay, so here I'm going to show you three computers. So that's what I'm taking here. Three computers. Okay, so just I'm taking a three computers. Okay, so next I need a cable. Okay, here you can see here the fourth is a connection. Okay, you can just click the connection. Okay, so you can get lot of cables. Okay, so I will tell you about this cable later. Okay, in my lab, okay, all the lab I will be use only this automatically the first cable only. Okay, so I need a multiple cable. Okay, just to click the control button, uh, from PC to switch, switch to PC. So I'm just connecting cable. How we are connecting the LAN cable? Two end is there, correct? In the LAN cable. Okay, one end I'm just connecting to the computer. In another end, I'm just connecting to hub. The same thing. Hub here, here, here. Okay. So once you completed this, just to press the escape button. So any doubts as of now?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I said if you want to if you want to share the data, we need a three fundamentals. What are the three fundamentals? First one is NIC, MAC address. Third one is IP address. Okay, so if I'm having the NIC, then only it is possible to connect a cable. Okay, so by default NIC is there. Second, what is the MAC address? Also I said manufacturing level, the product, based on product you will get the MAC address by default. Okay, but IP address, it will not get default. You have to assign it manually. Okay, so I'm just going to assign the IP address. Okay, um, you can just click the PC0. Okay, just double click the PC0. Just double click the PC0. Okay, click the desktop. Okay, so and click the IP configuration. Okay, click the IP configuration. Okay, so here there's a IP address. As of now I'm not telling about anything about IP address, correct? Maybe after 2 classes I will tell you about IP address. Just for communication only I need a IP address, so that's what I'm just given on IP address. Okay, so I just given the path. What is the path? Just double click the PC, double click the PC, go to desktop, IP configuration. You can just give some IP address. I'm not giving anything, only I'm just assigning the IP address only. Okay, the same thing. I'm just going to assign the IP address. Here also I'm just assigning 10 dot some IP address.
Can you please show me how did you connect those options?
Correct? Sorry?
Which option you use for that?
Actually, voice is too low.
So can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but your voice is
Sir?
too low. Yeah.
Sir, can you please show me which option is used to connect these switches and PC?
Which one? Sorry?
Which
Which-
option is used to connect the PC and the switches with the hub and all
I'm,
these
I'm
things?
just
Is
connecting the cable only.
which options?
The fourth
Oh,
one.
okay, okay.
The fourth one, you can just click the fourth connection. The first cable you can just choose and click the PC. From PC to PC. Just click the mouse, your mouse.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, so now I'm just going to take as example as hub. Okay, so you can just I'm taking the example as a hub. Okay, in the right bottom side you can see there's a two option. One is a real time, in another option is simulation. Okay, for this lab alone I'm going to show you simulation. Okay, simulation means the back end how it will work, that it will show. Okay, in the back end how it will work, it will show. Okay, that's what I'm going to show you. Okay. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to send some data from PC3 to PC4. Okay, so here in the top left side you can see here there's some message boxes there, correct? Add simple PDU. So this is a one data. Okay, for Cisco packet tracer you can just one PDU. PDU means it is like a message. Okay, so I'm just to click the message. Okay, I said where I'm going to send from PC3 to, you can just click your mouse in PC3 and destination where PC4. Okay, you can just click the PC3 and destination is PC4. Okay, first I will explain you and I will show you. Okay, now I'm going to send the data from PC3 to PC4. How it will work? First it will go to PC2 hub. What hub will do? Hub will send the broadcast to PC4 and PC5. Okay, PC5 will decline the request. PC4 only accepted and respond back to hub. Hub again what it will do? Will send the broadcast to PC3 and PC5. Okay, so now I show you. You can just watch and let me know. Okay, so you can see here PC3 to, it will go to message to hub. Hub what will do? It will be sending the broadcast to PC4 and PC5. PC5 decline the request. Okay, PC4 accepted and reply back to hub. Hub what will do? Again it will be sending the broadcast to PC3 and PC5. Okay, again one more time. Okay, you can see PC3 to, it will go to hub. Hub again will send the broadcast to PC4 and PC5. Okay, so PC5 decline, PC4 accepted and respond back to hub. Hub again will send the request to PC3 and PC5. So now clear? Are any doubts?
Yes, sir. But yes, only one thing is there. Sir, every time you are clicking the play button, for
No,
the
no, no,
simulation
no,
for
no. Only for the
showing
first time.
that how
No, no,
the message is moved?
no, no. For
Okay,
the first
okay.
time only, I'm
It is
just click the play. This play in the right hand side. There's option correct. Only for first time only
okay,
I
okay,
click that.
okay.
Okay.
And automatic the time, seconds, and the links that is being calculated by the Cisco only.
Yeah, in the right hand side, it will be automatically will be calculated Cisco system. I will tell you later about it. So just I'm
Okay.
explaining what is a hub, what is a switch, and what is a unicast, what is a broadcast. That was I explain you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, we getting you are excellently teaching. That is a good thing, sir. But we are expecting that there is no need to write the code like C, Java, .NET
No, no,
like
no.
this. There is no need to write any kind of code.
Yeah, any coding.
Okay. That's what my mindset. Okay,
Mhm.
fine.
Okay. So any doubt anyone about a hub?
So, sir, this
Yeah, tell me.
yeah, this packet tracer, where you will get Google, which one to get? Can you send
Download
the
anything,
link?
any website, any website.
Can you send link better on WhatsApp group
Yeah,
maybe?
sure, I will send it to you. Maybe tomorrow morning I will send it to you.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
So now I'm taking another 5 minutes. Okay. So just I'm taking another same thing as a switch. Okay. So now the same thing I'm going to send the message from PC0 to PC1. Okay. Um. Okay. So just I'm clicking PC0 to PC1. Okay. I will tell you and I will show you. PC0 first it will send the request to switch. Okay. First it will send the request to switch. Switch what will do? It will send the broadcast to PC1 and PC2. PC2 declined my request. PC1 accepted and accepted respond back to switch. Switch only sent to request to PC0 alone. So for next time also, PC0 send the request only to PC1. PC1 again will send the request to PC0. Okay, I'm just going to play. You can just listen.
Okay.
Okay, you can see PC0 send the request to switch. For the switch, for the first time, it will send the broadcast to PC1 and PC2. PC2 decline the request. PC1 accepted and as a reply response to switch. Switch now it will send only to PC0 alone because next time is sent as unicast. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so again it will be sending the data PC0 to switch. Switch only send to PC1 alone. You can see only PC1 for the first time alone. It will send the broadcast. For every all the next time it will be sending the request as a unicast.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see it will send the PC0. Okay, so I'm getting the successful message. Okay, so any doubts on hub and switch difference?
Okay.
You can just
So actually, I want to know.
yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
In cloud, switches are necessary. Like in cloud, like it's showing here like PC1 to PC2, PC2 to PC1, but like internet connection or cloud, how
As of now just giving a
working?
basic only. Okay, so in more on classes you can get more knowledge. Okay, so just I tell you what is a hub, what is a switch, what is a functionality. Maybe the next class. Okay, so I
Okay.
said hub and switch difference only. I said switch only we are using, hub we are not using. Then
Mm-hmm.
what will be the function?
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow I will explain more about
Okay.
switches and types of switches,
Mm-hmm.
which switches we are using in a
Okay.
company. Okay, so and what is a router,
Mm-hmm.
what is a router function, and which router we are using in companies. Okay, that we can
Mm-hmm.
discuss on the tomorrow
Okay.
class.
Sir, last question, may I?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. Sir, you have utilized PC, PT, PC0, that are company models, right? If we are utilizing some different models, whether the time execution may also differs?
No, so based on the computer it won't differ.
Uh, okay, based on the hub, at least, if we
Yeah,
are
based on the hub
selecting
switch, yeah,
different model of the hub, and
depends on a hub and switch, it will be vary the model wise.
okay,
So there will be speed will be
okay,
there.
that was my
Okay,
first question. And second, okay, speed will be there.
yeah.
Again, you have utilized, sir, some kind of wire connectivity between the hub and the switches as well, vice versa between computer and switches that connecting end-to-end devices. So again, whether this medium it is showing on your screen, that is rectangle, dotted line, every
Yeah,
medium is different or
yeah, yeah.
having the
Actually, no.
same meaning,
Yeah, same medium only. You can see same medium.
same meaning.
Yeah, actually, there is a connectivity on both the end. Okay, so it doing PC0 to switch and switch to PC0. Okay, so both the end it will be communicating. So that's what the arrow mark will showing. Okay, so
Yes, yes.
both the end. Yeah. So actually, arrow mark is
No, no,
showing.
no.
Okay,
Just
so I am connected a cable from. Actually, you can see this my arrow mark only you're telling correct. This way you are telling correct.
yes, yes.
Yeah, actually,
Oh, yeah, yeah,
first,
that
yeah,
is
first
okay,
time,
sir. But
yeah,
I
first.
am asking you with respect to the model. I am asking with respect to the model. So the model is you are changing. That's why the time is also changing, sir. But I am asking with respect to medium. If I select different wires to connect with the switches and the computers, whether it will affect the time?
Yeah, actually, the in computer means normally we are using only one cable that is called as a straight cable. Actually, you can see here there's a lot of cable is there, but in a market now
Yes,
we are
yes.
using only the straight cable only. So that's what I said. All the cables we can each and every cable I will tell you. So which cable we are using, what cable we need to use connect to a hub to switch and switch to computer that I will tell you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sorry for more questioning.
Yeah, no, no.
Okay. Because this was not in the touch with
Yeah, that's
me
what
right
actually
now.
basics. That's
That's
what I
why I
said.
was
Basics
asking.
classes. You will once the basic class has been completed, then you can get more knowledge. Okay, so as of now, just we are going the basic only. So next 5 to 10 classes maximum
Okay,
on basics only.
fine. Okay, sir. Thank you for your valuable time.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So thank you. We'll see. Connect tomorrow. Even I sharply connect on 8:30. Okay. So maximum I will start in
Okay.
8:32
Okay.
or 8:30. Okay.
Sure.
Yes,
Okay. Anyone, if you have any doubt, you can
Thank you.
ask me. Otherwise, we can connect on tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
No, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Thank
Good
you.
night.